Welcome back, everyone. We got another hard reset for you today. Today we're going to do the Sky Elite P55 Pro. If you have one of these and you have to do a hard reset on it, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's definitely gonna get deleted. Also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. And if you want to see anything special that we don't have up yet, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you. We're gonna do taking some requests on hard resets. So if you're having trouble with something, just let us know. Otherwise, let's just jump right into this one. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that it's off, and in this case it is. You can either pull the battery or turn it off with the power button. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there, and we want to hold volume up and power at the same time. And I'm going to hold volume up first, and then I'm going to hit power. And that brings us to our boot mode selection, and we want to use volume up to scroll and volume down to select, and we want the arrow to be under recovery, and then we hit volume down. And you can take a second to load, so don't be surprised. It takes a minute. There we go. There's our recovery options. We want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Confirm it again, and it's already done, done running. Now from here we can either reboot or power off. In this case, I'm just going to power it off. If you did reboot it, it will just load to the welcome screen, and you can set the phone up how it was when you first got it. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. That's how you do a hard reset on a Sky Elite P55 Pro. If you guys can, like, share, comment, all that wonderful stuff, we definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.